Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Bel Air Town, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distance requires a lot of planning and organizing. There are tons of things to look after other than moving all your belongings miles away. All you need to make your move smooth is an experienced and reliable moving company. 3 Movers is a licensed moving company in Bel Air. We also offer our services worldwide to every customer. Our expert movers will make your move a lot simpler whether you're moving to another state, country, or even internationally. Our moving team will do everything for you, right from proactively packing your belongings to loading carefully and timely delivering them to your doorstep. Choosing a Bel Air Town moving company might seem unnecessary as an expense. However, with a close look at the primary benefits of working with the moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. You will definitely save your time and efforts to lift all your belongings from one place to another. Our experienced movers at 3 Movers will make your move a lot easier than you would have done on your own. Whether you're relocating to your new house or office, we handle everything, right from the packing of your belongings to unpacking them in your new space. We also offer custom plans to our customers to make their moving as easy as possible and also offer customized prices. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bel Air Town moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.